Hi guys, today we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a little bit mysterious: synthetic fragrances. These scents might be captivating, but there's more to them than meets the nose. Let's step into the world of synthetic fragrances. Those enticing aromas that draw you in with their promise of delightful scents. But there's a chilling reality behind these concoctions. Big beauty companies often choose synthetic fragrances because they're cheaper and easier to produce. Sure, they want their products to smell amazing, but guess who ends up paying the real price? That's right, it's us, the consumers. So what are the hidden costs? Well, these synthetic fragrances can lead to a range of health issues, turning your beauty routine into a potential health hazard. For starters, synthetic fragrances have been linked to skin sensitivities and allergic reactions. And here's the darkest secret: many of these synthetic ingredients are often masked within products hidden in plain sight on ingredients labels, making it hard to know what you're really putting on your skin. At Morrocco Method, we've decided to change the narrative. We believe in the power and magic of nature. Our scents come directly from the natural ingredients in our products. We don't believe in adding synthetic elements that don't contribute to nurturing your hair and skin. Our ingredient lists are transparent, so there are no hidden secrets. If you have allergies, you'll find it easy to spot and avoid any ingredients that might cause you issues, thanks to our honest approach. This season, let's get rid of synthetic fragrances from our beauty routines. Together, we can start a journey towards healthier, toxin-free beauty. Join us at Morrocco Method, where every day is a step towards better health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more educational content on hair care and wellness. Thanks for watching.